Okay, so you know that I'm the pattern lady. I've been asked, how do you get so much done? I use a sewing planner to help me achieve my goals. Now, I have an Etsy store where you can purchase this. In my Etsy store, I'm offering an editable version of my one-page simple sewing planner for you to download to your phone or computer. It's just a little one-page document. Just type your goals into the text boxes, print it out, and pin it on your sewing room wall. I hope you go check it out. You can set New Year's resolutions that you can achieve and make changes to your planner as your goals are met. Your purchase of this 99-cent planner can help me afford to keep my website running with all its great tutorials.